crafty friends, it's Melinda from mypapercrafting.com, and today I wanted to get on here really quick and do a quick show and tell project share of this mini album that I just finished creating for the Joy Clair stamps. And what I used for this was their really cute stamp set, and it's called Love Coupon is what it's called. And what's on this stamp set is this outline, which is kind of like so you can cut it, and it's got these really cute little scissors with the little hearts, and then at different sentiments like back rub, foot rub, you name it, spa day, and then sweetheart guaranteed coupon, so you could, you know, do one free dinner and a movie coupon, one free happy ending, or guaranteed happy ending, you know, one free back rub coupon. I mean, it's just really a nice variety. And then of course all these adorable little heart stamps that you can use. So that's what I used, and I created this mini book album, if you will, coupon book. And so I just created the SVG files for the heart shape itself, and then the love, and then of course the little hearts, and then the little roses and such. And so then I stamped coupon right down here, and then I did, my first one says my love guaranteed coupon, and then you can see I used some of the various little heart stamps and stamped them out in pink, red, and purple. And then I just added some of the little die cuts, and then I backed it. I stamped it with the outline with the scissors. I don't know if you can see the cute little scissors. They got like a heart shape. And then I just backed it onto this decorative panel mat that I created. So this one says one free dinner and a movie coupon, one free spa day coupon, one free back rub coupon, one free foot rub coupon, and one free happy ending coupon. So those are the coupons that I created, but of course you could just do so many different things. And then I just backed it with some pattern paper, and then a layer of solid cardstock, and then of course the white scalloped heart. And so then I just did a hole punch, and then just added some various ribbon that I had with the little ring binder, and so ring binder clip or whatever you call that thing. So anyway, so that's what I did, and then I created, like I said, the SVG files for this, and then just added some sequins. And I just wanted to talk about this little flower. This, if you can see, I created it in two pieces. One has got like the outline of it, and then the other is just the solid piece underneath. And because it's really thin, I wanted to just share that I used this Best Glue Ever Scrap Her Fix, Best Glue Ever. And I know I showed it on another video, but I just wanted to show you this because I'm absolutely in love with this glue and this process, how it works. So this cap, it's called a no clog writing cap, and the reason for it is, if you see, it has this like little pin, and the pin actually slides right into that very thin needle, and it slides right in there, so it keeps that open or unclogged, if you will. Then you screw it shut. So when you open it up and unscrew it, it is literally ready to go, and it just lays down the finest little bead of glue. I mean, just fine. And this glue is just really amazing. I mean, and so I was able to get the glue around the edges of these the flower without, you know, getting a bunch of glue on the, you know, to squish out, if you will. So as crafters, I know we're always looking for a great adhesive that's a multi-purpose adhesive. This one also does some other amazing things, which I will be sharing, but I just wanted to share that as a side note. if you're looking for some, you know, fantastic multi-purpose glue. So here's my project. Again, I used the Clair Love coupon stamp set. So I'll leave a link in the info section to where you can go and pick this up just in time to make your own, you know, your own for somebody special that somebody you're willing to give a foot rub to for sure. But anyway, so if you like the video, please take a moment to hit the like button and to subscribe. I sure would appreciate it. And hit me up, and I will leave, like I said, a link in the info section to where you can go and pick up the coupon stamp from Clair, and you can check out their other wonderful stamps. So until the next time, you have a wonderfully crafty day.